Today, we take you inside a luxury factory to show how premium airline seats are made through a precise, high-end production process.
Every process begins far from the factory floor. Precision starts with careful handling. Controlled movement ensures order from the very beginning.
Every transition is designed to guide, not force.
Step by step, the system begins to take shape. And the next phase moves into position. The transition from openal earth to controlled transport begins. Calm handling ensures smooth movement into confiner space. Order is maintained through constant human control.
Balance and spacing are critical before movement.
The final entry completes the loading cycle. Secured and ready, the journey begins. From origin point, movement begins with purpose.
Every transition maintains uninterrupted flow. Consistency drives every kilometer forward.
Arrival marks the return to controlled ground. Precision positioning sets the stage for the next phase. Every step follows a defined mechanical rhythm.
Contained movement transitions back to open space.
The pathway outward is carefully prepared.
Easy boy, steady on down.
The cycle continues, now deeper inside the system. The process advances into controlled internal spaces. Each al-marhala begins with structured entry.
Preparation ensures consistency in evaluation.
Observation guides every decision made. Flow remains steady through controlled pathways.
From inspection, the system moves forward without pause.
The red-treated leather enters the controlled washing system for refinement. Every surface is purified under controlled high-pressure systems.
The material moves through precise, multi-stage refinement lanes. Excess moisture is removed to stabilize the red leather structure. The material enters a controlled drying environment for final stabilization.
Refinement begins as material stabilizes.
Every surface is reviewed with trained precision.
Measurement ensures uniform material quality. Precision cutting refines every edge. Final surface refinement brings consistency.
Approved material moves forward into shaping.
The transformation into seat structure begins with absolute precision. Every movement is guided by digital accuracy.
Efficiency defines modern manufacturing logic. Form emerges cleanly from controlled separation. Each piece now enters structured assembly flow.
Precision cutting completes its role in the production chain. Structure now enters the assembly stage.
Every frame is locked into perfect position. Comfort layers begin to define form.
Each component merges into a unified structure.
Detail defines the final identity of the seat. The production flow moves toward completion. The final form now enters verification.
Precision ensures every unit meets standard. Functionality is verified through controlled motion. Surface perfection completes the visual standard. Completion shifts into preparation for delivery. And this is how modern factories produce RED airline seats from start to finish.